The following segment is sponsored by Intermountain Health. From puberty to menopause and beyond, women have a number of health matters that are unique to all of us. Shaylin is a certified nurse midwife with Intermountain Health, and she is here to tell us about a new access clinic. Welcome in, Shaylin. I'm so glad you're here.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
This is such a huge topic for women, and so I'm really glad to get into what is a midwife and what do they do?
Yeah, so midwife, that word means a lot of things to different people, especially in Utah, where we have several different kinds of midwives. So certified nurse midwives are providers who generally started working as registered nurses in a women's health field, who then went on to get a graduate degree, generally a doctorate degree in women's health and midwifery. We provide care for women from puberty to menopause and beyond with a specialty in pregnancy and delivery.
You guys play such an important role for women.
Yeah.
Intermountain Health has certified nurse midwives since the 1989. How has it expanded?
Yeah, so it started with 3 pioneering midwives who went to the administration with Intermountain and convinced them to take a chance on midwives. We've since expanded that into over 50 midwives, and we're delivering at 16 locations. In 2023, certified nurse midwives delivered 1,500 babies in the Intermountain system, and the Intermountain Nurse Midwives practice, which I practice at, has been going now for 35 years, and we've delivered over 16,000 babies. So expanded greatly since that time.
Well, we talked earlier about not as many people know that they're, know about midwives, and so it's so wonderful that everyone is learning a little bit more about what you guys do.
Yeah.
What do people not realize about midwives?
Yeah, I think when people think about midwives, they're thinking specifically of delivery, labor and delivery, and maybe even the postpartum period, but they don't recognize that we care for women through all stages, through the lifespan. So we also provide gynecological care. In the U.S., there's a real problem with getting access for women when we have gynecological needs. You know how miserable that can be if you're bleeding or have an infection. So we opened this clinic to expand access. It's called the Gynecology Access Clinic. There is locations at Intermountain in Murray. Also, we're opening at LDS. And what we're trying to do is care for women quickly. So we're trying to get appointments within 72 hours. Some appointments are even available same day. We're providing care for things like STI screening and treatment, UTIs, irregular spotting and bleeding, pelvic pain, nausea, vomiting in early pregnancy, depression, so lots of different things that we can provide comprehensive care for.
Well, as a mother and a woman, I have been there trying to get an appointment with something that maybe I'm going through, and even being new to the state here, I have had trouble getting in, so it's very exciting that you guys are expanding more.
It has been a real problem.
Now, are they all over the state of Utah?
Yeah, so Intermountain has locations from Logan to St. George, and like I said, the Gynecology Access Clinic right now is only functioning in Murray and LDS, but they're opening new ones at Altaview and Layton as well.
That is so wonderful. Yeah. Where can everyone at home learn more information?
Yeah, you can learn more about nurse midwives and the Gynecology Access Clinic by going to intermountainhealth.org or by calling 801-408-7041.
Look at you memorize that number. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
It
was a pleasure to have you.